Don't replace me. Just teach me how to be the man you need. Show me what makes you feel safe, what makes you feel loved, what makes you feel seen. I'm not saying I'll be perfect, but I'm saying I'll try. Because real love isn't about finding someone who already knows everything. It's about growing together, learning each other, and choosing to stay even when things aren't easy. I don't want to be just another name in your past. I want to be the man who understands you, who stands beside you, who becomes everything you need, not because I have to, but because I want to. So if I ever fall short, don't walk away. So tell me, help me see what I don't, and I promise I'll meet you where you are. Love isn't about trading people in when things get tough. It's about building something that lasts, and I want to build that with you. Drop a 1 yes if you agree with me, and pass this on to someone who needs it. God bless.